Hey guys, welcome back to Faithfully Bearded. I'm Tyson. Uh, guess what? I got an awesome surprise today. God blessed us today with a package in the mail. I forgot I even ordered this. This was from the pre-order from the Luxurious Bastard. I'm assuming this is the 1912, but we're going to open it up and take a look. All right, so here we go. Let's get in here and see what's in this package. We'll do a little unboxing, I guess unpackaging here, and just see what we have. It's in a nice little bubble wrap here. We got the label for the pre-order. A little note on here saying thank you. Love the personalization. That means a ton to me. I love the little personal details like that. And we just have it in another package here, so we're going to open this one up here. Bubble wrapped up. Cut this open. And this packaging, it's in a bubble wrapper. It's then wrapped up in a bubble wrap envelope and then shipped in a bubble wrap padded envelope as well. So really good packaging. First and foremost, we got a little sack here. And I've never ordered from the Luxurious Bastard before. I've never been lucky enough to get it. It's always sold out. So I jumped on this pre-order. So this is kind of the first time I've ever opened a package from him. So far, so good. It's awesome. We got a business card in here. Both sides here. Love the logo. The logo is pretty awesome, don't you think? And then, of course, I've been hearing about this, the piece of bubble gum. How awesome is that? It's a throwback to my childhood. I can remember being a kid, getting those bubble gums out of baseball cards or anything like that. It's cool little sack here. I don't know. I'll use it for something. I like it. It's a nice little touch. Thank you, Mr. Luxurious. Let's get into the rest of this product here, see what we have. So here you have it, the nice green bottle, the label, and as you can see, the 1912 Bastard. Let's take a look. This is my first smell of this. Wow, that is awesome. I don't even know what I'm smelling in there. There's a lot. I get some sweet, some smoky. Wow. I can't wait to try this out in the beard. Can't wait to try this out. This is awesome. And then we got also balm here as well. I got the beard balm. There's the packaging on that. And then, oh, that's kind of cool on the back here. I don't see that he did it with the oil, but on the back here you got batch number 50. This is can number 126 of 200. That's a nice little touch. I like that. It kind of makes things, you know that it's a small company, small product. So I really like that, just to know, like, hey, this was number 126 out of 200. Kind of nice little touch there. I really like that. It's got the twist off lid here. And this smells a lot like the oil. I don't notice much of a difference between the oil. I'm not smelling any of the butters in here or anything like that. I don't like that. I really like to smell in the balm. I really like to smell the actual fragrance or the essential oils. As far as, it seems like it's a medium type balm. It just gets real smooth. It's going to emulsify really nice, it feels like. Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely going to emulsify real nice. So overall, this is pretty awesome. Love the package. Love that it was bubble wrapped like multiple times, obviously taking care and shipping. Love the little knick-knack touch with the sack and the business card and the piece of bubble gum. Give me a little throwback to my childhood. So yeah, that's the packaging. this is the product that came in it. I'm super pumped about this. I'm lucky to have this. Thank God for this. Thank God for you guys watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to link the website for this below, link my social media as well. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you know when I come out with new content. Like this video, and let's keep on making videos. Thank God for every day, guys. I appreciate you watching, and have a wonderful day.